The route provider has a very, very basic API. You can only either call when or otherwise. So when is going to match a pattern. And let's format this real quick. A lot of people do it this way. Well, they'll put when on the next line. And because it does method chaining, you can just do another when here. So we'll say when pizza, then we'll pass in an object, and we'll just say a template. Because if you remember back to the template cache, we can just do template URL to pull it in by the key and all that stuff. Anyway, so template, we'll just say the template is yum, because pizza is delicious. And then if I refresh my app and go to the URL of /pizza, we'll say yum. And don't worry, we will talk about getting rid of this hash later on. And then, so we have when, and then otherwise. Now, otherwise, you don't pass in a route because it's whatever happens when the route doesn't exist. So we just pass in an object. And we'll say the template here is, this doesn't exist. So if we put in like the number 1, say this doesn't exist, or some random string of characters that doesn't exist. If we put in pizza, it's going to pull in this template. If we put in the base URL, it's going to bring in our app template. And that's pretty much it as far as the route provider API goes, just when and otherwise. And we'll go into these options that you can pass into this object in the next video.